This killer fly pattern can be used year-round. To tie it, we'll start off with some olive thread, secure it to our hook shank, and snip the excess free. Next, we'll grab some sparkle emerger yarn. Here I'm using cream. Grab a small tuft and secure it just behind the hook eye, wrapping back towards the bead. Snip the excess free and whip finish so we can remove our thread. Slide the bead towards the hook eye. Once complete, we'll use a pair of scissors to trim up the sparkle yarn to our liking. Once you're happy with your results, reattach your thread and grab some small wire. Here I'm using olive. Start by inserting our wire into our bead and securing it tightly, wrapping well into the bend of the hook. Once complete, we'll reverse directions and work our way back up towards the eye. We'll continue this process to build up a smooth body transition towards the bead. Once complete, we'll grab our wire and begin to wrap it in open spirals towards our thread, taking your time to ensure that each wrap is evenly spaced. Secure by taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind the wire and helicoptering the excess free. Whip finish to hold everything in place, snip your thread free, and add a coat of UV resin. Blue wing olives can be found emerging year-round, and this pattern is simple enough to be tied in extremely small sizes. If you'd like to give it a try, you can pick it up on my website here, or comment #flies down below for your chance to win. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.